right? Yeah, man. But as I said, we did it last night, and I said to myself, say, if I didn't like, I just say, you know what, I should have shared last night, because it would probably benefit someone who desperately in need of the video. All right. Yeah. A good vibes. Yeah, man. So we're just gonna do it again tonight and see what happened. I'm not gonna be staying too late on it neither. That's gonna be a very quick warm video for you guys. So we got a medium-sized pot, and we're going to put some hot water. Lovely. That is a large cups of hot water we have been using right there so far. All right. Yeah. Craig, big up yourself. Big up all of the my subscribers and my members. Really appreciate you guys. All right. Yeah. So what you have running belly dinner. Just simple. This is a simple recipe. Let's get some sea salt, mix it up in some lukewarm water, and drink it. A good vibes. That one will help you to, you know, come back together. All right. So that's going on right there. I'm gonna wash off my ingredients. Yeah, I'm gonna wash off these. Okay, you have to make sure you wash these, guys. Very important. So yeah. Here it is. We're gonna put some lemon into the water like this. All right, with the seed and everything. Doesn't, you know what I mean? That's the lemon. Right here, we have some lime. We're gonna put some lime into the water. So right here we got a piece of a ginger. It's gonna grate a little piece of ginger, yeah. You don't have to press down on it too much. Just a little bit of a rub, and you're good to go. That's the ginger right there, guys. Yeah. So this is the rosemary. Let's put this inside of it. Now, this is some cloves. I'm always using cloves. Okay, guys, cloves is one of my favorite. I'm always using it. It's my #1 recipe, which I use all the time, and it's 100% very good and an amazing. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna put a couple grain inside of it. All right, yeah, couple grains of the cloves. All right, yeah, I will recommend it to you guys to drink it. It's one of the best so far. All right, yeah, you see this tea right here. Okay, rosemary is very good for pain, help relieve pain, inflammation, and it just goes on. Weight loss, detoxing is a lot. All right, so this is the most important ingredients in it and the ginger. All right, I would recommend it to you guys to use. All right, yeah. It's beautiful, very, very nice and lovely. Okay, let's see what's going on with the audience tonight. Okay, so far I only have 7 people liking the video. All right, a good vibes. All right, some of you guys now play at all, man. All right. Follow me. Thank you so much. Good health is the way to go. Yeah, man. All right, follow me. Yeah. Mystic, big up yourself. Thank you so much. Craig is in the building. Kim, big up yourself. Thank you so much. Let's turn off this, guys. All right, we're gonna turn off the heat. All right, let's turn it off for a bit. Let's turn it off for a little bit. Yeah, a good vibes. So we got Donna. Yeah, a good vibes. Donna Little, thank you, Z Chef. Thank you so much to coming on the show. All right. Gladys, thank you so much. Angel, thank you so much for coming on the show, Angel. Limian, thank you so much. You're welcome, man. America blog just a wake up in the morning. Good vibes. Alright. Keep sleeping. Let that boil for a bit. Jonathan, what's going on? Let's see what I go on also. Follow me. Okay, follow me. Shit, big up yourself. Yeah. Give it a go tomorrow. Cleopatra. Louis. A good vibes. As a winner. Good morning. Oh, where is that? It's morning for you. We are in the Philippines. Cucutex. Recipe: rosemary, cloves, ginger, lemon, lime, and I eat that one and water. Yeah. Martaric, big up yourself. A good vibes. Thank you so much for coming on the show. Alright. See you guys. This is it right here. So we got a few secret ingredients. Alright, let me name them out quickly. Alright. Yeah, let me name them out. That's the book. Alright, so we got lemon and we got lime. We got rosemary, we got cloves and ginger. And 1 large cups of water. Put everything together, cook it for about 10 minutes, and then you drink the liquid first thing in the morning. Alright? A good vibes. Can't go wrong with that, guys. Simple little recipe, but very effective. Cookie. Thank you so much. How often do you drink? You can drink 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening, and you're pretty good to go. Alright? Yeah. One in the morning, 1 in the evening. And the way you feel, yeah, man. Yeah. Johnson, big up yourself. Joe's. Good vibes. Yeah. 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening, and then you're pretty good to go. Brenda, big up yourself. Thank you so much, Brenda. Angel. This is a lot of information right here with this beautiful cup of tea. All right. Now, also very good for if you're a person who suffering from pain, arthritis, all of these things. The rosemary play a very important role with it. Also, it's helped to detox the body, and also help you if you're a person who's suffering from pain. Rosemary is very good with cloves. All right, lemon inside of it, that's going to help you to detox the body also. So there's a lot of things going on right here, so but I'm going to tell you, this is one of those kind of recipe where no one gonna share it with you. All right, this one is a specific special recipe, secret recipe from Chef Ricardo Cooking. Drink this 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening, and you got the ginger in it again, number 1. All right, yeah. So it's a very good look. All right. Altia, what's going on, Altia? Long time I see you coming on the show. As in with big up yourself, and yeah. All right, good vibes, people. All right, Ian Jelly in the building again. up the angel. All right. Yes, people. You don't know the thing go. All right. All right. So make we show you exactly what's going on now with this beautiful cup of tea this evening. All right. So everything cook out into the liquid, into the water. All right. We got the lemon cook out inside of it. We got the ginger in it, and also we got the cloves and the lime and the lemon also inside of it. So what I'm going to do is take it off the cooker. All right. Let's take it off. Yeah. We're going to cook it. Take it off of the cooker. All right, guys. All right, good vibes. Let's put this right here. That is a fantastic cup of tea. All right. Yeah, man. Okay. All right. Now, quickly, let's go back over here and talk about the book, because a lot of people still asking me question. All right. Still can't get yourself a copy of the book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo's Secret Recipes to Success. Good vibes. Now, the cup of tea tonight, it's available on Amazon, guys. This cup of tea is fantastic and an amazing one. Something totally different from what you see Chef Ricardo normally make. All right. This is one of my favorite tea, which I make on a regular basis for every one of you guys. A good vibes, people. Now, what you want to do, all right, is this. Okay, make sure you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, is this. Pour it out. All right, yeah. Squeeze out all these. All right, make sure you guys can see everything what's going on. All right. Now, to be honest with you, yeah, drink it naturally. That is the best way to do it. Okay? And now, drink it naturally is one of the best way to do it. You can put a little bit of organic honey inside of it if you like to, but I'll drink it naturally like this. All right, yeah. So here it goes again tonight. Another powerful and effective recipe where you guys love to see. So these are the kind of recipe which I'm talking about. All right, powerful and natural. Drink this 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening, and trust me,